it's me, Fluffy kitten102 here,
and Sahara.
And we are doing the bubblegum challenge, I guess.
Yeah.
We're making bubblegum out
And
of
we
this
have a
kit.
box right here.
Sponsored by Toys R Us.
It's not.
And
let's get started, shall we?
wait, and
If
make
this is
sure,
on my channel. Okay.
Yeah, make sure you check her channel. It's in the description.
Yeah, so I'm going to put this video on my channel and it's going to be on her channel.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so we're reading the instructions now.
Okay, by the way, I'm not editing this video today.
We need a microwave with disposable microwave cups, oven mitt, measuring spoons, rolling pin. We just use some of that. Yeah, I have a rolling pin in my house, so I don't either. Markers, tape or Elmer's glue, butter knife, aluminum foil, and water.
I don't think
we don't need Elmer's glue.
Yeah. I don't.
That's why to package it maybe.
I don't think we should try Elmer's glue.
Okay, so let's get on to the video. Okay. Oh wait, that's what I do on my channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine is okay. Let's go.
Girls, you're gonna need water.
Oh yeah, we need
Need
water.
cups. Grab a couple cups.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Give it. I got them.
Okay.
Yippee! You watching?
Water.
Okay.
Okay.
2 cups? Yeah, it is. Let's make...
Okay, we'll pause this when we know what to do.
What do you want to...
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
We're going to do extreme mint.
this one.
Okay.
Doesn't make sure well. So we need 1 tablespoon.
I need scissors.
No, yeah, tablespoon of gum base.
Yeah.
Yippee! He's stretching! My baby. Soon we should make another collab on something. Oh yeah, yesterday I got Italian cookies.
Whoa!
Excuse me.
Why don't you not touch food while you're making the bubblegum, Jasmine?
No.
It's gonna get contaminated.
If you want one.
Okay, we are going to... Is this the gum base or is this flour?
I think
Okay.
that's flour.
Okay. Okay, so we got this gel type of thing, which I think is corn syrup. And then we have all these packets. This is watermelon. We need extreme mint. Mint flavor, okay? There you go. Okay, which one's the gum base? Directions. Okay, we'll pause this when we know what to do again.
And you're gonna have to do that over. You can do this one too. This can microwave.
Yeah, okay.
So we're gonna
I think we'll do this one.
Yeah, but
And then,
don't you have to microwave it 3 times for different flavors?
Oh, yeah, okay, yes. This
But
one.
first we're doing
So
gum
there's-
mint chips, so we're starting off with that.
Okay.
Alright,
Yippee!
so we need one, oh, there's a, okay, so we need 1 tablespoon, teaspoon, or tablespoon?
Tablespoon.
No, I think it's a teaspoon.
No, it's a tablespoon.
Where are the directions?
In here.
Oh, duh.
Oh, this is microwavable. This is microwavable.
So,
No, and that. So you need 3. Remember?
See, look.
It's done-
oh, yeah.
Tablespoon.
So 1, 2, 3. Here, girls. Here's your 3.
Tablespoon.
Oh yeah, here you go. So there you go. There's your
Wait, is this
microwavable one.
tablespoon right?
And here's your one
No,
for your
it's a
3 flavors.
tablespoon.
Is that good? Yeah, that's a tablespoon.
Yeah,
That's
they're both.
oh, yeah. Well,
yeah, they're
Just,
it's
Yeah.
close enough. Alright,
okay.
so you guys should be good, right? You have yours for the finished ones, right?
Yeah. Okay, so there's one.
If you spill it, Yippee will eat it.
Yeah, why don't you just do all 3 at the same time? Oh, I'm sorry. Whatever you want. You know what I mean? Like a dun dun dun.
Oh yeah,
dun,
guys, today I
Never
turned
mind.
into a beautiful...
Okay, so 1 teaspoon corn syrup.
Yep. Teaspoon.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
I think we should use this for teaspoon.
Yeah, use the
Teaspoon, tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
Yeah, teaspoon.
But you need tablespoon, but as it's teaspoon.
my head.
Oh, Yippee's watching.
There we go. Okay.
Can I do the next thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do the next 2. 3/4 tablespoon of teaspoon milk flavor. Alright.
Oh my god, it's so crunchy. We made caramel
Mint
and
flavor.
can you squeeze it?
Yeah.
Actually, can you hold the spoon?
Ow.
Whoa.
That's what I teaspoon, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so sticky. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay. Do I lick it? Do I?
I don't
Like
think. I don't know. It's good.
There's chapped napkins here.
Okay, I'm just gonna use
Tastes
this
like-
to scoop it off.
Unsweet honey.
Looks like slime. We should be making a slime video soon.
Okay.
Wait, I need
next
help.
we-
I need help with this.
What are you doing? We're gonna
I
mix
was trying to
this.
get it off. Yeah, there's more.
Okay. Oh yeah.
So I'll do the mint flavor.
We'll just mix it.
Let's work this in. There.
Oh gosh. You need to make cotton candy with this, right?
Can?
Yeah. Cool. Okay. Okay. 3/4 teaspoon mint flavor.
Yeah, this is mint flavor.
Do you know what 3/4 is?
No, a quarter. Wait, no.
This is 3/4.
Some
So, like-
quarter. It smells so good.